Auto highlight here is a really cool Chrome extension because it helps kids who might struggle with identifying important topics or key information when they're reading. So this Chrome extension helps highlight what they might need to know over other parts of the article or wherever they might be reading. So like I just chose like a News ELA article and that's about like the 1918 flu. And you can see as I clicked on the Chrome extension, it kind of highlights what might be the most important to pull. So like there's the flu facts and just talks about like what the flu virus is, and that's pretty important. So it highlights it for the student. The flu can cause other problems. That's another key information for the fact of flus. Um, Same with like fighting the flu. So there's just like really good points that they pull out, and I think this can be really helpful for students, especially who just need help organizing their thoughts and like picking out what is the most important. Because I've had students who highlight the whole entire paper and they think they can pull every fact, and some are relevant, some are not, and I think auto highlight kind of pulls the most relevant information that they need.